Hi guys, we are back again. Yes, back again with the second Sudoku in this additional of yesterday's newspaper of Saturday. Yes, Saturday, May the 22nd, 2021. And it's today, Sunday, with Sunday. Yes, we have this weekend, Pentecost weekend. So tomorrow or Monday, we don't receive any newspaper. It's with Monday, so I've decided to continue with the edition of Friday tomorrow. But first, we will solve the rest of the puzzles in yesterday's newspaper of the additional. And this one will be number 2834. All right. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 26 printed digits. All right, let me scan the puzzle. All right. Yeah, so let's get started. I see 4 times 4, 4 times 9. Yeah. And 4 times 2. Let me start with the 2. 2 in this row, 2 in the last row. So in the row between, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 in the third column, 2 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place for the 2 should be there. 2 in this column, 2 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place for the 2 should be there. And now I cannot finish the 2. Let me continue with the 4 then. 4 in this column, 4 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. Okay. 4 in this row, 4 in the second row. So in the first row, the row above, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. And now, I cannot continue with the 4. How about the 9 then? Yes. Yes. In this big square, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 9. We see here 9, no 9 in these 3 boxes. So the 9 could be here, could be there. So we have a 9 in one of those 2 boxes in this row. 9 in the last row, so the row between. The only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there. 9 should be there. In this big square, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 9. We see here 9. No 9 in these 2 boxes. Here 9. No 9 in those 3 boxes. So the 9 could be here, could be there. So we have a 9 in the last column, 9 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there. 9 should be there. All right. Now I cannot continue with the 9. How about the first column? 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 1. We see here 1 in this big square, so no 1 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. And now I have eliminated the 9. So 1 box left for the 9 should be there. So now we have 3 boxes left in this column. Those missing numbers are 1, 2, the 3 is missing, 4, 5, the 6 is missing, and the 9. 6, 3, and the 9. 6, 3, and the 9 in the first column. And look, we have a 6 and a 9 in the third row. So no 6 and a 9 in this box. The 6 and the 9 goes in those 2 boxes. So 1 digit left in the first column for the number 3. All right. So 2 boxes left. The other pair in this big square are the numbers 8 and 7. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here and the 7 goes there. All right. Four missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7, no 7 in those two boxes. Here 7, no 7 in that box. So one box left for the 7. Should be there. Alright, 3 missing numbers now. One of the missing number is a 5. We see here 5, no 5 there. Here 5, no 5 there. The only place for the 5 should be there. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 6. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 6 goes there. Now we have a 6 there. So this box can't be 6 anymore. That box should be a 6. And this box should be a 9. I've marked those 2 boxes with a 9. Now we have a 9 there. So this box can't be a 9 anymore. That box should be a 9. Alright. And the 9s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 9. Alright. 1 box left in the first row for the number 7. 2 boxes left in the second row for the numbers 3 and 8. No, 8 we have. 3 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I made a mistake. Look, this should be an 8. Yeah, this should be an 8. Did it? 5, 5. This 5 is correct. Okay, 7. Ooh, 4, 4. This 4 is correct. Okay. How about the 2? 2 is correct. 1 is correct. So the 6 and the 7 and the 8. We have a 7. 7 is correct. So this should be an 8. Made a mistake. Could be happen. 2 numbers left. It's not a big mistake. 2 numbers left in the second row for the numbers 3 and 6. I need to mark those. The other pair in this big square are the numbers 2 and 1. 2 and 1. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here and 2 goes there. Alright. Alright. 2 in this column, 2 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 3 places for the 2 should be here, here, or there. We see there 2, no 2 there. Here 2, no 2 there. The only place for the 2 should be there. And all the 2s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 2. How about the 4 now? 4, 4. No, I cannot fill the 4 here. 4, 4. No. All right. 1, 2, 3 is missing. 3, 5, 6. 3, 5, 6. That means the other 2 numbers in this column, 3, 5, 6, those are the numbers 8 and 7. 8 and 7. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 8 and 7. These 2 boxes in this big square are the numbers 1 and 6. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 6 goes there. All right. Let me see. 7, 1, 2, 3, 7, 7, 8, 7, 8, 3, 7, 8. 3 missing numbers in this column. Those missing numbers are the 3 is missing, the 7 is missing, and the 8 is missing in this column. 7, 8, 3. 7, 8 we have here in this row. So no 7, 8 in this box. The 7, 8 goes in those 2 boxes. 7, 8, 7, 8. So 1 digit left in this column for the number 3. All right. 7, 8. We have a pair. 7, 8. Okay. 3, 6, 5. 3, 6, 5. 3, 6, 5. 3, 6, 5. 3, 6. Okay. Yeah. 4. 4. Okay, 4, 4, 4. Let me think. 3, 3. Yeah. 1, 2, 5, 5, 5. 5, 5. Yeah. 5, 5. 3, 3. Let me think. 8. No 8 here. No 8 there. 8, 8. Yes. In this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see an 8, no 8 in these two boxes. There, and 8, no 8 in those two boxes. So the 8 could be here, could be there. So we have 8 in one of those two boxes in this row, 8 in the row below. So in the last row, only two places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there, an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8, 8. Okay. Two numbers left in this column for the numbers 1, 2. The 3 is missing, 4, 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and a 6, 3 and a 6. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 6, 6. 3 in the last row, 3 in the row above. So in that row, the only place for the 3 should be there. Two numbers left in this big square for the numbers 6 and 5. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 6 in the last row, 6 in the row above. So in that row, the only two places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there. 6 should be there. One number left in this last row for the number 1. Two boxes left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 5. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 1 in this column, 1 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 3 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, here 1, no 1 there. The only place for the 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 1, all right. 4 in this column, 4 in that column. So the column between the middle column. Only two places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there. 4 should be there. Alright, 4, 4, 4, 4. One number left in the middle column for the number 5. No, 5 we have. How about the 7? Yes, 7 is missing. Two numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, the 3 is missing. And the 8 is missing. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 8 goes there. Now we have an 8 there. So this box can be 8 anymore. That box should be an 8. And this box should be a 7. Now we have an 8 here. So this box can't be an 8 anymore. This box should be a 7. And that box in this column should be an 8. One box left in this row for the number 7. Two boxes left in this big square. 1, 2, 3. The 4 and the 5. 4 and the 5 are missing. Let me mark those two boxes. 4 and the 5. How about this box in the middle row for the number 3. 3 is missing. Alright, now we have a 3 there. So this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. And this box should be a 6. Alright. Wait. 6 in this column, 6 in the column next. So in the last column, the only two places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there. 6 should be there. One box left in this row for the number 4. Now we have a 4 here. So this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. And this box should be a 5. Last two numbers of this big square for the numbers 5 and 8. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here. And the 5 goes there. Finish in 14 minutes. Alright. I like this one. 1 star. Because I'm faster than 15 minutes. And I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file. So you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you later with the last puzzle of today. In this additional, it will be a tectonic one. Tectonic with a 1 star. See you then. Bye-bye for now.